Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by email notifications from Facebook friend requests and want a quieter inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a quick step-by-step way to disable those email alerts on the Facebook PC app after the latest update. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in with your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu tied to your personal profile. From here, select Settings and Privacy to expand more options. Next, choose Settings. You'll be taken to a broad set of controls that let you customize how Facebook behaves for you. On the left-hand side, find and click Notifications. This is where Facebook gathers all the different ways it can reach you with updates. Inside Notifications, you'll see a list of categories such as comments, tags, reminders, and more. Scroll until you find friends requests. This section specifically controls how you're notified about new friend requests. Under friends requests, you'll notice several toggle options for how you receive those notices. Look for email and switch it off, or toggle the option so that emails no longer come from this category. If there's also a push notification or in-app notification option you'd rather keep, you can leave those enabled while only turning off email. To confirm your changes, you can navigate away and return to the notifications page. The email line should show that it's disabled for friends requests, and that's it. No more inbox clutter from new friend requests, while you still keep the rest of Facebook's notifications intact. If you ever want to re-enable email notifications for friend requests, simply return to the same Settings Notifications Friends Requests and flip the email switch back on. It's a reversible change, so you're in control at any time. A quick reminder, these steps reflect the current layout after recent updates. If you don't see exactly the same labels, look for similar wording like notifications, friends requests, or email within the same sections. Thanks for watching.